Good evening all. Today I am going to teach you about blood pressure and also coagulation of blood. These are two topics. These two topics I will teach you now. Suppose if you feel ill health, you visit doctor and their doctors or nurse measure your BP. Is it? BP. What is BP? BP means blood pressure. BP means blood pressure. BP is measured using a device that is called sphygmomanometer. BP is measured using a device that is called sphygmomanometer, and they measure BP at a exact place, that is upper arm artery. What is BP? Heart pumps the blood. To pump the blood through arteries towards the cells or tissue, there should be a pressure, there should be a force. That force is called blood pressure. It is given by heart. When these are auricles, ventricles. When ventricles contracts, because of the pressure, ventricle pressure, the blood flows out through arteries to the body parts. This is called systolic pressure. Again, ventricles relax. When ventricles relax, blood flows into the ventricles. It fills with the blood. That pressure is called diastolic pressure. Systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. In healthy young adult, the normal BP. So sometimes whenever you ask, they are saying, I don't have BP, I don't have BP. No, it's wrong. BP means blood pressure. Without blood pressure, so blood could not flow to the body parts. So normal BP is 120 by 80 mm of Hg. 120 shows systolic pressure, 80 shows diastolic pressure. BP, low BP and high BP. High BP causes hypertension. So low BP, if systolic pressure is below 120, below 80, it is called low BP. High BP, if systolic pressure is above 120, diastolic is above 80, it is called high BP, and also called hypertension also. And what are the symptoms of high BP and low BP? What are the effects of high BP and low BP? We will discuss in next classes in intermediate or higher studies. This is about blood pressure. Now another topic, we are going to discuss about coagulation of blood. Yes, this BP, I already told you, this is measured by sphygmomanometer. Note down and remember this topic. And again, other topic is coagulation of blood. What is the meaning of coagulation? Coagulation means clotting of blood clotting. If there is injury on your body, on your skin, you notice that blood flows out from the skin or from the body. It clots maybe 3 to 6 minutes. It takes 3 to 6 minutes to clot the blood after injury on your body, on your skin. In previous class, in 9th class, you learnt about cells in blood, red blood cells, RBC, red blood cells, white blood cells, WBC, and again most important here, platelets. This is what involves in coagulation of blood. Platelets. Platelets play major role to clot the blood. When there is an injury, so platelets in the blood releases an enzyme that is thrombokinase. Thrombokinase. This thrombokinase makes prothrombin as thrombin. Again, thrombin makes fibrinogen as fibrin. Yes, this is the most important. These fibrins are thread-like structures. When there is an injury, platelets release thrombokinase. Thrombokinase makes prothrombin as thrombin. Again, this thrombin makes fibrinogen as fibrin. This fibrin is as like a net-like structure, a thread-like structure. So it stops the blood flowing outside. After clotting the blood, a liquid substance in yellowish straw color, that is called serum. It is in yellowish straw color. Yellowish straw. I mean Telugulo పసుపు గడ్డి పసుపు లేదా పసుపు గడ్డి రంగు అని అంటారు. సో yellow straw color లో ఉంటుంది. This is about serum. And you have to know one thing, that is, if there is a deficiency of K vitamin, in first UT you learnt about vitamins A, B, C, D, E, K. So K vitamin, if there is any deficiency of K vitamin, there is no chance to clot the blood within 3 to 6 minutes. This is called hemophilia. I have to know about in next class about hemophilia in detail. Hemophilia in detail. Hemophilia causes marriages between close relatives. When there are marriages between the close relatives, because of genetic mutations, because of genetic changes, there may be a chance to the disease hemophilia. So, what is the effect of hemophilia? The blood could not clot within 3 to 6 minutes. That's why, is there any accident or injury, the person maybe die because there is no clot of blood. This is about coagulation of blood and also blood pressure. We'll meet in another class. Thank you.